Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will show you a week in my life. Yes, a week because hindi ko kaya ng isang araw lang mag-vlog. So, let's go! Super tagal ko na palang hindi vlog, so I will update you ano nang nangyayari sa buhay ko. Yes, so, welcome back to me! Panis na siya. Panis ng hangin, guys. Panis pala yung kanin, that's why tinapon ko siya. Let's go to your kids. Kids! To your kittens pala. Kids daw. Ano yan? You can change your hair and you can change your clothes. Look at this! So cute! Oh, di. Nama cute. Dede na. Oh, busog ka na, no? Ang daw na ng tiyan mo. The other one is still eating. Ikaw, busog ka na ba? Oh, ang pangit mo. Wala kang pangalan. So we will do now my skincare night routine, and I'm using products like this one, Garnier for cleansing water with vitamin C. This one, facial foam, Garnier Bright Complete Serum Cleanser. And for my moisturizer, I'm using the original Whitening Moisturizer. So, to try pala natin yung Heatless Curl using socks. This socks, dalawa talaga yan eh. Nasa isa. Ito. Dito, sa aking buhok. Yan, that's why pinapahaba ko siya. Gusto talagang pagupitan to ng mama ko, pero dahil gusto ko pa talagang itry yung Heatless Curl na yun. Kaya hindi ko siya pinapanggupitan. So, gagawin na natin siya. Hi guys! So, this is me. Tapos na pala ako mag-skincare. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo kasi nalobat yung phone ko. And tapos ko na din gawin yung Heatless Curl. Bukas makikita natin kung ano yung magiging resulta nito. So excited! Your tongue. I can't see. Success. Ayan siya, medyo kita siya dito. Look at that. Look at that. This one. Today is May 12 and today also is the local election and I just finished voting. So I just bought ice cream, Coke, and yellow because I will make a Coke float. So, this is my baklot. Don't mind the baso kasi we don't have a baso. So, let's cheers. So, I will cook dinner na. And our ulam for tonight is egg and sardines. By the way guys, tomorrow is my birthday, but don't expect too much because it's just an ordinary day, nothing special, no celebration. But yeah, it's my birthday tomorrow. Guess how old am I? Guess. Yes, 16. Tama kayo dyan. Joke, I'm actually 28. So yeah, lulutuin ko na pala siya. That's our luto. And this one is our walk-in closet. Taray, may walk-in closet siya. What's that song again? Put na. Did you know that my biggest fear is crying? Yes, that's my biggest fear. Done! Charot. So, ganyan na siya ang naging itsura. Hindi ako satisfied sa naging itsura niya. Kasi hindi siya toasted. But, this will do. Kain na na! Let's eat, guys! Oh, guys. Tikman natin ito. Kala man naman first time makakatikman ito. Ba't ang alat? Isa pa. Maalat talaga. It's my birthday today. Happy birthday to me. Yeah. So guys, bumili pala ako nitong pang-vlog. O diba? Vlogger yan. Papakita ko unboxing. Dan, dan. Tagal ko na talagang gustong magkaroon ng ganito. And finally, na-check out ko na siya. Yan, diba? Diba? Ganyan siya. Tapos, Ayan! O, diba? Hindi ko na kayo kung saan ipapatong. Or isasandal. Tcharam! Tapos meron pa siyang kasamang ilaw. Look. Oh! Ah! May tatlo siyang ilaw. Ayan. Diba? Tapos, meron pa siyang ganito. Hindi ko alam kung para saan ito. Pero for sure, kinikonnect to sa cellphone. Pero, wala namang connectan dito. Hindi ko alam. So, yeah, I will figure out kung para saan ito. But yeah! So, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoy watching. And see you again in another vlog.